What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode with The Beginning Investor. My name's Matt. Let's go ahead and hop in this week's episode. All right, guys, thanks for coming back. Before we get into the episode, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Also, if you like what I'm putting out, go ahead and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Let's go ahead and look at our total investment up to date. So right now we're sitting at $831.21. That number is fluctuating because we are just outside of market trading hours, but it will fluctuate, just not as much as it would normally during market hours. So on the day, we're down about just over $31. Over the week, we're up $55 or 7.08%. Over the month, we're up just over $100 or just under 15%. Over the last 3 months, we're over 55.37%, guys. And then that's going to be the same thing for the year and all time. Couple things we did today. We did pick up a new position. We were able to get... Let's hop right in here. We were able to get Gain or Gladstone Investment. So we got them actually at $10.28. It's representing 2.46% of our portfolio, and it was $20.40 for the 2 shares. Now, this company does provide a monthly paying dividend. It will pay 7 cents per share. So I'm going to be getting 14 cents a month that we will add to our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, which we'll look at here in a little bit. And again, that little amount is going to add up over time. And every week, as we put in that $20, we're looking at getting a monthly paying dividend return. So 14 cents at a time, that stuff's going to add up. So over the last week with this company, it's at down 7%. Up over the last month, and I really liked their 1 year. Right before the crash here, they were up to $13.50. So even at $10.28, I felt like I got a pretty good bargain at about 35% off. And then I like their 5-year trending as well. So I think it was a good pickup, and it was another position that we can add to our portfolio and kind of help dilute that Carnival Cruise Line, because right now, whether we're up a lot or down is contingent on Carnival Cruise Line. So if we can really, kind of play a little defense there and spread out our money even more, we won't get hit as hard with Carnival Cruise Line, and really who knows what's going to happen. So that's what we got going there. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, and we'll talk a little bit more over that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet here. So as you can see, we have all of our stocks that we purchased, the date we purchased them. We have the stock price, the dividend payout, the number of shares, the total amount invested, our return on investment, our monthly revenue from our stocks, our yearly revenue, and our percentage of our portfolio. So with Gain, we just purchased them yesterday. Thankfully, it was a somewhat red day, so we got them a little bit cheaper at $10.28 per share. We got 2 shares of them. It's going to pay out 7 cents per dividend, which equates to 14 cents a month or $1.68 per year. And again, that's going to be 3.82% of our entire portfolio, just diluting that Carnival Cruise Line, so we're not affected by any movements. And it's going to be a little while before we continue to dilute Carnival Cruise. And if it keeps going up, we're going to have to just keep chugging along and putting $20 in each and every month. You'll see too that the total amount invested I put in here is $537.54. Again, we've only put $535 worth of cash into our account, and that's because we received a free share last week from ADT. Actually, it's from one of the viewers. We used that share of ADT to sell, and we purchased 1 more share of SCM. So it was a couple weeks ago. Let's go ahead and take a look at our dividends. Again, 63 cents, it's not much, but each and every month as we continue to grow, that 63 cents is going to continue to grow. All right, guys, that was my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Nothing else has really changed. We don't have any upcoming dividends at this moment. Right now, it's just showing our history. We can see our previous dividends we got there, and that's pretty much it. Again, this is kind of a short video, but an update nonetheless. I'm thinking about putting out another video on casino stocks, so let me know if that's something you want to know about. I do have a little bit of experience just in the gaming industry. I used to work for one, and I still follow a lot of their information. So I'm going to put something out, I think, here in the next couple of weeks, kind of going over some of those stocks. So there are plenty of casino stocks to go over, but I think we're just going to focus on the main ones. So again, smash that like button, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. Appreciate it. Have a good night. Thanks.